So we're done with this. We have put photos, we have put videos inside of our timeline. Let's put some text. Let's put a text on this. So I'm just going to create a new video layer for this. Pwede ko rin siyang ilagay sa taas. Pwede din tayo maglagay dito sa video. In our example, let's put this on the front. So pinakaunahan. I'm just going to place a text tool and then click on the canvas itself. Okay? When I click on that, alam nyo kung ano mangyayari. This will enable you to put information such as text to your videos. Okay? So, pwede kong gawin yan. Horizontal type tool. If I click on that, if I press, let's say, video editing, alam ko medyo maliit pa siya, using Adobe Photoshop. Let's make this bigger. So, let's select all of this and then go to this. Then change its color to make it more visible. So you would see you have enabled yourself to create text inside of Photoshop as a video editor. So as you would see here yan, pwede nyong habaan yan. In our case, let's make this till the end of the video. You can also draw shapes for this. For example, if I draw shapes to accentuate my design, let's make this one. Let's make this a little bit, let's make this 50%. Yan. And then if you want, you can also add filters or styles. In our example, let's just create a shadow if you want. For example, I'm just going to create a shadow for this. Just double click this and let's add a shadow, drop shadow for this example. Let's make this so white. It's actually not a drop shadow. Okay. Yan. Okay. Let's make this visible. Pwede kayo magdagdag na maraming drop shadow if you want. You can also copy the layer style. Let's say copy the layer style. Copy layer style. And then let's put this on our text. Right click. Let's go to paste layer style. As you would see here. Yeah. So let's make some order out of this. And let's drag the rectangle downwards. So as you would see, the text area would be bigger than that. Okay, so if you check on this, yan, we have created something like a lower third for this composition. So if you want, you can also group this or you can also make this as a video group if you want. Pwede nyo gawin yan. Okay?